Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. This is part 2 of how to make the whip topping toppers. Now these my daughter made for me for my Christmas decor. But she's going to make one to show you how to make your very own. And the one that she's making today is a little bigger than the one that you see here. But it really is basically the same thing. So, get your pencil and paper ready, get your viewing on, and ready to watch how to do this DIY project. I think you're going to be amazed how easy it really is to do this. Now let's see what happened. Well, got already start some more now, huh?
Yeah, so as you can see, I had to add more to the bag because I didn't have enough. This cup is a lot larger, so I filled it back up some more, and so now we're gonna create it to go from the bottom at an angle. So I just want to create this angle going up now. So we're gonna start here where I stopped. So now we're gonna do this.
The zigzag up and down.
Yeah, oh, I got some air bubbles in there. To help me.
Yeah, it does look nice going that direction, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. That's why I was saying, like, the first one, it kind of looks weird, but once you start adding this one. Okay, so now I want to do my twirlies to kind of get it all. Okay, and then I'm gonna do one on top. And that's a little too skinny. I didn't like that one, so that's the nice thing is you can fix it. Get this off with my baby wipe and start again. That looks a little bit better.
Okay.
And so wherever you see where it might need
Filling in.
yeah, and I just kind of, and so you see how it goes up and down and then it starts. So then I'm going to just go here and just kind of make it look
A little more like whip topping.
cohesive. So this one has a lot of spackle, but we have a lot of things to embellish with, so it's nice because we'll have a lot of embellishing space. My hand's creeping out. Get it. I'm just about at the end of it. And I think that looks pretty good. You don't want it to be perfect because it's supposed to be snow. And that doesn't matter because we're gonna put some things on there. All right, what do you think?
I think it looks pretty good. What do you guys think out there in YouTube land? Leave us a comment and let us know. Now we're going to make this a two-parter for the video's not too long. So this was how we started, and the next one will be how we decorate. So if you want to see how we decorate, come for part 2. Bye for now, guys. Hugs and kisses from Debbie and Grandma Sandy.
Bye.
And don't forget, we got part 2 coming up later tonight. So make sure you come by and see how we decorated this topper, right? Is that what it's called?
Topper, yes.
Yep.
I hope you're enjoying this 3-parter. My daughter put a lot of time and effort into showing you how to put these toppers together. Tonight we will show you how to decorate. As you can see, the one with the snowman is all decorated up that she did, and this one she's going to decorate now tonight. So make sure you come back and check out the 3rd part and see how it turned out. My awesome friends, thank you so much for all your love and support, and I hope you're enjoying this series. We'll probably be doing something like this every couple of months to show you from start to finish how you can do some of these projects. They're not that hard as long as you take them little bit by little bit until you get them done. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy and Debbie. See you in the next video, my dear friends. Special alert, special alert. This is very, very important. Don't wash anything with this product on it in your sink. It will wreck your plumbing. And make sure you don't let this product dry out on some surface because it will be wrecked also. Keep everything moist and clean it up immediately before it dries and sets up. Those are the only two things you really need to be worried about, along with don't, like my daughter mentioned, don't be using those cups to drink out of if you haven't protected them, because you don't want anything toxic on anything you drink out of. That's why I don't use my regular cups for this.